When I was brushing my teeth, I saw that my teeth was pretty yellow, and so I wanted to know if it was possible to whiten it a little bit. It's not like having yellow teeth is bad, is like a sign of bad hair or the bad teeth, but it was bothering me a little bit. But if you guys have like yellow tea is good too, because it's just the color is different, but it does not mean that is in bad hair. So I buy this whitening strip that you have to put on your tea, like you can see like here. You have to put it on your tea, and it takes like maybe 40 days to have a good result. But each day that you put it on will make it better. So we're gonna try it a little bit. So you have to put it on and wait like 20 minutes before peeling off. And you have one here you can see right, one going to the top and one going to the bottom. I bought this like on Amazon. It was the best recommendation. Okay, so as you can see, we have two sides. One will be on the top and one on the bottom. I'm going to dry my tea so the product have a better stickiness on the tea. Okay, here we go. Continue like this. See you in 20 minutes. Hey guys, so it's been like 20 minutes. Oh, shit, it's so weird. Ugh. Oh, you feel like you still have like a paste on it. Very weird. So you can see like nothing changes much a lot. It's still yellow. Maybe a little bit. We'll see on the next day. Hey guys, so it's the second day, and I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like my tea is a little bit more white. So here we go for the second day. Gonna apply it. What's up guys, so it's been like 2 weeks that I apply the whitening strip, and as you can see, my tea is not really that white, and you have like on the side, it's not really, it was not on all my tea, so some part get less whiter than the other, but as you can see, it have some good result. Like this is my tea before, and this is my tea after. So it's still something that work, because it's make my tea a little bit whiter and cleaner. But I'm thinking, because it was only the first time that I apply it, you cannot have like a Hollywood superstar tea. So it take longer, and I will try to apply more often. This one, like I have to apply it like for 14 days, and it say that you should do this like every 1-2 months. So like I will wait a little bit, and I will apply this later. If you want to try it yourself, I make the link on the description, so don't hesitate to try it, because like I'm happy to have this result. I don't regret to have buy this, because having my tea yellow was something that I was afraid of the reaction of other people. The result is nice, and I will not be afraid to smile more often right now, because I know that my tea knows yellow like before, so it's a little bit more nicer to look at. It's a big plus. So if you guys have some insecurity with your tea, and you think is yellow too, not easy to try it, but don't expect like to have a great result immediately, because like everything is take time. Give it some time, but be consistent. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.